morning, 0 degrees outside. I woke up with a patch in my eye. So when the pirate comes out and he's the captain and they say eye and eye, one eye is patched, one eye is not. One eye sees in the dark. So one eye is black, one eye is because this is confusing because the number 1 is a red and a black number. So one eye, because you have two eyes, right, is black. The other eye is red. Although two eyes together say black. Okay, now when you get to the cards and you play, all the queens have two eyes. Now, the king of diamonds, the jack of hearts, and the jack of spades, if I remember correctly, spade and heart, in which both of them have one eye. They're both looking the same way. See, they're both looking that way, they're both looking that way. One and one eye. Both looking behind each other's head. So in this situation, I'm trying to remember, if you take a look, his hair is curled forward as the small b and backwards. And when it's flipped upside down, it's the E. They both have mustaches. Now what I was going to get to with this is 1 equals to 9 because the I equals to 9 and it equals to 18. At the same time, it's a Roman numeral. That 1 is found on the left side. You put a V and a 1 on the left. You put an X and a 1 on the left. Or you could put an X and a 1, 1. Or a 1, 1, 1. 6, 7, and 8 are all found together in Roman numerals. But 4 and 9 are found to the left. And we spoke about this yesterday, being Mars and Pluto, and representing the numbers of Uranus, which half of Uranus now represents Mars and Uranus. 47 and 47 is now 94. Also, 47 and 47 is 85, which is the spirit matrix running through 2 moons. 9 and 9 is 18, 1 and 8 is 9, so the spirit heaven, 1 and 8, and 9 combines all 9s. 1 and 8, 9, 2 and 7, 9, 9 and 0, creation, birth, inside of Mars, arts and entertainment, the world. The 2 represents black, the 1 represents red, but 1 and 2 come together in creation. They're separate in spirit, and beta to me is the earth, and whoever's controlling the earth gets to control that spirit in earth. And the reason why 1 becomes red and the 1 becomes black, 1 has the nothing with it, the void, and the other one has the spirit with it. And that's the difference between those two and the 3 cards. But we're going to change this a little bit, because you notice that there's no picture card, right? There's no picture card with 1 or 2 eyes. See, that's not even real. There might be 1 eye up here, but there's 1 eye down here. And there's a fly on my camera. So you have 2 eyes. So the minimum in eyes is 2 and 4. Right? And that's I call it the beta clams. We get the pearl inside, which is actually, to me, something to do with the pull, something to do with a scratch energy, because pearls have this, when you take it, if you put it up against certain substances, it'll scratch, and it has a funny, what's it called to it, the feeling to it. And because of the lines in it, it's like everything is individual in its creation. But just to remember that A and B, because of both sides, will now have A and B. Side A, side B, or is this side A and side C? Because in numbers, the separation is here. A, B, C. So is C where the second eye is? The first eye is here, the second eye is here, and there's no eyes in the B section. We're just going into understanding relativity. You perceive and you understand. There's 3 markings on his shoulder here, 3 markings on his shoulder here. You see the way it shows the V for Venus for life? Okay. I don't know really what it is. I'm not going to get into Joker, the dollar signs, or the U coming around. I'm not going to get in, just the thing that 1 eye and 2 eyes. It's Saturday. I'm wearing number 7 as a finger. It's actually a corner that got cut off, but the angle it got cut off on turns it into a 7, right? If I would have just turned my angle just a little bit more, it would have been the V for life. So it's the V inside life. The V. Thank you for watching.